Lesson 10, Christian Life and Mass Media. This is the story of the famous Trojan horse. Modern media is also like that, and hence they are termed as Trojan horses. How securely we may close the doors and windows of our houses. The media comes to our houses unawares. The fascinating power of media. Media is a co-traveler of modern man. They are the open windows before human thoughts and feelings, without any differences of night and day. The speciality of today's media world is a competition to present the events and scenes in any corner of the world quickly, easily, clearly and attractively. The goal of media. Media has three main goals: give knowledge, teach and entertain. First, give knowledge. Today, media can impart knowledge about what happens around the world at the same moment. News has no past now. What happens in the present reaches people without delay. Media forms the vision of life. Second, teach. The second goal of media is to teach. Though media cannot substitute teacher, it can develop and nourish the knowledge gained from schools. Media cannot be a true guru, recognizing the possibilities and drawbacks of the students and the specialities of his character. But media can open a wide and large collection of knowledge before him. Media helps to conscientize people about the changes in the field of science and technology. Third, to entertain. Entertaining is also an important duty of media. Intervals of ease are necessary for a busy life. The means of entertainment of a particular country, cinema, drama, dance, etc., proclaim its culture too. In that sense, media is an ambassador of culture to other countries. Negative influence of media. Media deviates from its real goal in this field itself. When business interest of media goes beyond limits, a community of immorality and insecurity is born. Media has played a very important role in the social disintegration of Western countries. If media becomes the deciding and controlling force in food, clothes, language, faith, etc., that reveals the culture. How to evaluate media? No one can deny the place and importance of media in human life, but it is necessary that the ideas presented by media be acceptable. We must approach media critically. People living in audio-video media culture should know how to discern which is good, which is bad. For a Christian, the measuring rod to discern evil and good is very clear. We must reject media presentations which do not go along with the Christian values. Media and social commitment. Since human mind is mostly influenced by media today, its social commitment is something very important. Hence, those who work in the field of media should be careful in the following things. 1. Media should be ready to withdraw from programs and explanation unsuited to the morality of that community. It cannot be evaded. Keep modesty and control. Second, persuade people and awaken their consciousness and organize them against superstitions, evil practices, communal violence, and cruelty. Third, arouse the consciousness of man against widespread corruptions of all kinds. 4. Regain morality lost by the excessive influence of consumerism. 5. Media should stand for the conscience of the society rather than being the defenders of certain vested interest. 6. Media should give emphasis to create a counterculture leading to proper sense of values. 7. Media must be capable to present truth factually and lead the country to goodness and prosperity. All the children of the Church, with unity and enthusiasm, should strive to use mass media effectively in the fields of missionary activities as time and circumstances activity. Media opens before man a wide world of knowledge. What can you do to use it creatively? Thank you. May God bless us all.